Okay. There's the floor. Put your legs down. There. See? You're standing. Put the other leg down. What, are you trying to swim? Are you trying to swim? No. Just put your feet down. You can stand. See? Oh my goodness, look at that. You're standing on water. He's got the one leg that's just... What are you doing? Do you want to swim? You gonna be a swimmer like Daddy? What are you doing? He's got the one leg that just keeps twitching up. I don't know what that is. Are you doing aquarobics or... What are you looking for? What are you looking for, little guy? Huh?